How to turn on subtitles on Vlive app. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on the subtitles on videos on the Vlive app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open the Vlive app. Now play the video on which you want the subtitles. So for example, I am playing this video. Now to turn on subtitles, tap on this three dots in the top right corner. The thing is that with captions, it is not available on every video. So for example, here it is available, but if I go back and play any other video than this, like this, and tap on these three dots, here there is no option of caption. So not every video will have captions, so you have to just find out which video have captions, and this is how you can turn on subtitles on Vlive app. Thanks for watching.